Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show some quick and easy steps on how to change your name in Overwatch 2 on PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. Navigate to the website battle.net. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the site loads, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Account Settings. Now scroll down to the section Label Your Information. Under that, tap on Account Details. Look for your current battle tag and click on the Update button next to it. Enter your new name in the text box. Finally, tap on Save to confirm. And that's how you can change your name in Overwatch 2 on PC.